Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow automation. And in this automation, we are going to pull the data from multiple tabs and create new tabs based on some criteria and filter out the data as per our requirement. So the requirement was to have a dynamic control so that this code can get applied on any of the other sheets as well with dynamic controls as well. So I have created this control sheet, which is giving you the all the control that which word you want to search in which column you want to search. You can always change whatever the column you will select in here. The number, the name will, the this word will get checked in this column, and only this word should be available in that column. Then it's going to, if this finds the text in the column AC, it's going to take the columns M, N, O, and AA and paste it into a new tab, which will called strong rows. Similarly, if you find a word often in column AC, it's going to copy the column MNOAA and it's going to create a new sheet calling often row and paste the data into that. Now, the tabs to process. For example, if you don't want to process SPMFG08 and you don't want to process these other tabs, you just want to select the controls. For example, if you want to process this tab, so I can simply add these two names in here, or you can add multiple names. You can always modify the columns you want to copy, and you can change the sequence of the columns as well. So this is completely dynamic. And once you are done, let me show you. Currently, we do not have any other tabs. Let me show you. There is no tabs are hidden. What I've done, I have uh, created a response in column AC. Sometime it says often, sometime it says strong, sometime again often strong. And I have given it the name of the cell so that it can find out. Okay, so first often is in row number 6. M, N, O, and AA will get copied. Similarly, for column number for strong word, row 7 will get copied from M and O, and there will be new tabs. So let me give you a quick demo. So if I'll click on it, all right. So let me, if I'll click on it again, you will see the data get fetched in, and we have two new rows. So this is column M, column N, column O, and column AA. So these are the values. These are the values got copied, which is row number 7, 10, 15, and 20 for strong rows, which you can see in here 7, 10, 15. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift this a little down. So now we have two rows with often 6 and 7. And I'm going to run this again. You will see the data will get appended in the result sheet. See now the numbers are 6, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, which is for often rows. And for a strong, there will be another addition for 8 too. Again, the now the often the strong is available in row number 8, M11, 16, and this and that, so far. So you can see the data is getting appended, and you have all the controls uh, for the word selection, for the column to be searched in, the column to be copied. And it is not showing any column AD because there is no column available. I think there is no data available in the column AD. What I'm going to do, let me simply copy this, or let me, okay, now we have some responses, like we can have some data in column D as well, but only for often, not for strong. So let's see, we do not have any extra values for column for a strong word in column AD, but we have the data in column AD A6 now. As we have selected this control dynamically, we have updated this. We want to add another column for only this word. Or if you want to keep those, you can always select one and drag those. So you can have the results accordingly. So you can see this is completely dynamic. and you can always change the column. You can always select the date. Let me give you, currently it's not giving you the data from the this tab. Let me copy some data and quickly show you. Okay, I have just pasted the data. Now I'm going to control, then running this again. Okay, now we have more data available. You can see now it has pulled the data from the Gabute file as well, and as well as the NIBSEM. So you can see 6 to 30, then again 6, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, because I just copied the data from one tab to another. Now you can see some different numbers, not exact the same number on this enablement tab and Gabute tab, because M6 is on M6, which is right, but on the Gabute tab, you will see M6 is basically on M7. So this is why you are having some data shift. So it is perfectly working fine. Please do let me know if you need this, and looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.